Yeah, so we're looking at solving a question about angular acceleration. So we have a rotating blade of a blender that turns with a constant angular acceleration of 1.5 radians per second squared. We're trying to figure out how long does it take to move from rest, so angular velocity of 0, to an angular velocity of 36 radians per second. So we know that the angular acceleration A is also equal to, or is defined as, the first derivative of the angular velocity with respect to time. This also means that the change in with the constant acceleration, we know that that the acceleration is also equal to the change